me know you got a visual on Eagle.
He is now looking eastbound. He's looking to go eastbound. If you're in that center parking lot, you're going to come right up on him.
Think we can get in?
Stand by. He's standing behind a canopy now. He hasn't moved from the building.
Is he east or west of the baseball field, the high school baseball field?
East. Correction, west. West.
Tell him.
He's going to be working towards the maintenance shop right now, but he's still in the center. There he goes. He's running westbound.
Is he wearing black shorts?
Black shorts, gray shirt, white stripe on the shorts.
Alright, yeah, I got a visual on it. That's the high school baseball field, Kurt. He's just walking right now. He's about to come up on the Little League stuff. Black shorts with white stripes and a gray shirt. He's wiping his face off. I'm just trying to find an entry point.
He's running back to the tree line.
I see him.
Kirk, go west over there.
Okay, he has his hands up. He's standing in one place. He sees officers, hands behind his back, and he's proning out. Everyone keep the radio clear until we have a 15. Lieutenant Wright and Blanchard are on him. Stand by. No use of force. He's compliant.
Ward 1012.
15. He is in cuffs. Everything's 10-4, gentlemen. His bands are going to be by that brick building, just northwest of where you're at.
Dispatch, check Rocky Joe Garcia specimen. D1 dispatch. I'm going to need somebody with Parks and Rec to open the gate here at the varsity field. I came in the back way. 28642. Transport unit, just stand by right here at the varsity field entrance.
Josh, just keep a visual on him until we get down over here, would you please?
10-4, sir.
7.